Happy Saturday, y'all. Saturday, August the 28th, right? I think it is. So we're back. Thank you for tuning in to another video. So guys, it is Saturday. It is 12 noon. And I am currently right now going to pick up some things for my baby girl for her business. And if I can, I'll bring you guys along. But first, we got to get out the car. I had to put on my chapstick. But y'all know what is crazy? You put on the chapstick, but you got to put your mask on top of the chapstick. But I hope that, oh boy. I hope, well, we can put it right here for now. But, oh my gosh. We got to do what we got to do, y'all. I know everybody's tired of the mask situation, but y'all, I'd rather be safe than sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I'd rather be safe, ouch, than sorry. I should have had that on already, but yeah, we're gonna go in here and get these box of things for her, and yeah, so let's do this, okay? Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's get in here and get it. I have to get a temporary thing so I can shop. So this is basically the bulk of the store. So I just gotta get one box. Yeah, it's hard trying to do things with one little. This is the box that I need. It's got like 50 things of what's in it? Guys, I'm back. That was really quick. I'm surprised. Usually it take a little longer. So let's put these here. Now all this stuff I gotta go to the I gotta go back to the dealership today, which is okay because I'm really getting things done. I have to get those are struts. I got the back strut. If y'all were wondering what I was getting done to my car, I got my back struts done. I got calipers. I got lines, and I got a host of other things. Like I said, you just try to keep I'm just trying to keep my my truck up to date. That's all. But yeah, at 3 o'clock I have to get that done. So what I'm gonna do now is I am on my way. I'm trying to get this off my face, y'all. I am on my way to attempt to go and jog. Yeah, it's really warm. Like, it's so warm. But I'm going to get ready to jog. And let me see if I can put y'all here. Hold on. I'm trying to get my shelf together here, y'all. Sorry about that. But, yeah, I'm going to attempt. Y'all going to have to sit right here for a minute. Uh-oh. Sorry. It's hard to do all that stuff. But yeah, I'm going to attempt to do my 2 miles. And probably, I know for sure I have to jump rope. I need to get my jump rope on. And then, what else do I plan to do? Oh, I have to be at the dealership at 3. So basically, my day is probably full. And it's probably only going to take like 2 hours at the shop. So y'all, it's so hot now. I just went in there to do that, and I done worked up a sweat already. Let me find my glasses. So yeah, just wanted to say hi this afternoon. Look at that. Just wanted to say hi this afternoon. So yeah, today is going to be a good day, y'all. Today is going to be a great day. Speak it into existence. Believe it so you can receive it, okay? I will see you guys a little bit later, okay? Thank you for tuning in. Hey, y'all, we're here. Whew, it's hot, y'all. I got to make a pit stop though first. I had 2 pineapples that was kind of going bad. But my daughter gave them to me, so I said I'll bring them through here through the woods so I can feed an animal like a deer or something. So let's get ready to pull out the blessings for the animals. There's some orange peelings in here too, though. Get on out of there. Get on out of there. Yeah, I hate wasting anything. Basically like compost, they don't need that. Let me throw that away. And then I can find a recycle bin here. But yeah, guys. Hope you all have an amazing day. If I did not say it yet, get out and get you some exercise. It's beautiful out here. It's just beautiful. I mean, by us having to wear that mask all the time, we need to be getting out here, getting some fresh air as much as we can because we need it. We just need it. So I'm gonna go ahead, y'all, and get ready to jog my 2 miles through the little trail here. And I will catch up with you guys a little later. All right? Y'all, it's another interesting day at the car dealership again. I did make it safe, and I actually want some tea. I did, because my throat is sore again. Let me know in the comments, do y'all use Central Air at home? Because Central Air makes me sick. So no matter where I go with Central Air, I have to always bring a jacket because I get sick every time. So I do got my blue jean shirt. But other than that, guys, I made it and I can't wait. This is like the last of the last Mohican for me, so I'm grateful. I'm really pissed. I'm really pissed right now. I wasn't gonna turn this camera on, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna still vlog. Because a lot of people, when they have problems or they go through things, we tend not to want to vlog. But I feel like if you're not going through nothing, you ain't living. So I turned the camera back on. But anyway, I'm home now. It's about 6, I don't know, it could be 6:30, going on 6:30 now, but I've been home since like 5. And y'all was sitting up there for an hour and maybe 20 minutes. Yeah, because I got there at 3 and I left there like at 4:25. For him to tell me their torches are not working because they need something, and he couldn't get the the parts that he needed to get off to install what he had to install. So I'm like, okay, I'm cool with it. But the thing that I had mentioned to y'all that was going to be the last thing on the vehicle to get fixed, well, on the truck to get fixed, is now a priority. So the guy who fixed that, because I actually remember, because I ended up calling him and he said tomorrow I can come because Mark paid him, this was 2 months ago, paid him for the work that he did in that area. So they're saying that whoever had put that part on messed up something else. I don't know, but y'all, I'm really upset, but I'm trying not to let it get to me because I just think we're still blessed when we go through stuff. So I don't know who this message is for. Even when we go through stuff, don't let it get you down where you don't want to do what you normally do. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I did shed a little tear, but I'm still grateful, and I'm still grateful and still thankful because push come to shove, she got legs. Push come to shove, she got a bike. Okay? Push come to shove, she can get in the other truck. I'm just saying. Yeah. But it's so peaceful out here, y'all. I'm just sitting out here enjoying the great outdoors. I got a few flowers still blooming and stuff, and we got those over there on the if you guys could see, the marigolds. And I think it's some it's marigolds behind me right there. So yeah, let's go in the house because I am actually cooking dinner. And then I'm going to end this video, but I almost forgot to end it because like I said, y'all, your girl was really, she was sad. She was really, really sad. So yeah, hold the line, y'all, hold the line. So yeah, guys, let me show you what I'm cooking for dinner, okay? I cut up I got some purple onions. Y'all, it's 6:38. Okay, but I got some purple onions. I got spinach over here, cumin and curry powder. I got some cilantro over here, bell peppers, and what else? Oh, garlic over there, and the green onion over here. So I got some cheese. It's not like real cheese sauce, but it's some kind of like a sauce, and I'm going to mix that inside of here, and then I'm going to add I'll probably use some Doritos to eat with it. But y'all already know I will show you guys on Instagram or on here what it is and what it look like when I get done with it. But yeah, I'm going to do that. But in the meantime, I'm going to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. It wasn't a whole lot, whatever, but yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Always remember, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Peace, y'all. Peace, okay? Until next time.